sorry about that. But I'm back for another unboxing. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'll try to see if I can have counted this package as I can. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. You're just gonna have to ignore that part. That was a big mess up. See, here it is, the envelope that it came in. And here it is. The pocket watch. The Polar Express pocket watch. It looks like the exact one from the movie. I can't wait to see what it looks like. $28. It has on time, early, and December 24th, and must not be late. I've always wanted something like this. I've always dreamt of owning something like this. That's the reason why I've always looked at my old pocket watch and pretended to be like the conductor from Polar Express. And like, ooh, where's my mom and dad? You know. So now I pull out this. I take out this. If I know how pocket watches work, you undo this from the box. Because that's where it's latched. Because that's where it's latched to. See, that's where it's latched to inside. Side C. And then you just do that. And then you pull this out. See, and it has must not be late, about to be late, and December 24th. It is exactly like the one from the movie. I'm so happy that I got this. Because now I can swap this out for my other pocket watch and say, where's my mom and dad? They are about to be late. And it has the word Polar Express on it. And believe on it. And it's golden. Abdullah likes things gold. But the thing is, and I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I'm so sorry about that. I'm trying to keep this cardboard thing in good condition without ruining it. Come on, come on, come on. I'm sorry about that. This is really hard to do without ruining it. How do you get this out? How do you even... I guess you unclip it and then re-clip it. There we go. Now that that's done, I guess I can take this through this little hole right here. Yep, like that. There's that. Can put this back inside its little box right here. Like that. See, like that. And then I can put it back inside its package like this. And that's the unboxing of the Polar Express watch. See, and now it's clipped back on, and now And now I can just literally wear it. And go on time, early, and December 24th. But it's really meant to be like a Christmas thing. But I got it a day after Christmas. So I think I'll just wear it as like an everyday thing. So anyway, that was the unboxing for the Polar Express watch. Bye. 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 Yep, and we are